Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. In the previous video, I have shown you that how you can enable this tap to translate feature from Google Translate. Now we'll see how you can use this Google Translate one tap translate feature. So for example, when you're texting someone on WhatsApp, so you are the one who knows English and one of your friend, the other person whom you're texting maybe knows Spanish. So how you can use this one tap translate? For example, see, this is the text in the English. You need to select and copy this. As soon as you copy, you need to click on this translate. Once you click on this tap to translate, what this does means, see, first it will detect the language which is in English, and second thing you need to do is tap on the second language and choose from the language which you want. That may be Spanish, Aramaic, or whatever the language, or you can just search here. For example, if it is Spanish, just search and enable this, so that now there will be a instant translation. If you want to hear what is the pronunciation for this,
Sugiérame la mejor aplicación para...
so you can use this voice note to listen the translated text. And now you can copy this and you can paste it over here and instantly reply the other person. So when you receive the other person text, you can copy the other person text like selecting and three dots and click on copy. And as soon as you click on this tab, to the copy text will be translated to English. Okay, whichever the language, not only English, whichever the language you select, that will be translated to the your preferred language, so that you can get to know the other person what is he texting or what is she texting. In this way, the instant translation get uses. No need to shift between the apps. No need to shift, go to the Google Translate and then translate and appear on this WhatsApp or Instagram, or again, even you can actually try to text. For example, if you are replying, how are you? I am fine and good. I am fine, good, something. Then you can click on this forward symbol and the same will be converted into Spanish, and now you can copy this and you can reply. So whichever way, if you want to use this, you can use this. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.